Do you know how to do double negative syllogisms? Do you know how to find inverse proportionalities? Do you know how to solve for clock AR patterns?
See, preparing for the Ucat is a bit like being put into a maze. You come across dead ends, often asking yourself, am I headed in the right direction? Will I make it to the end? Can I make it to the end? And of course you could, but wouldn't this whole journey be easier if someone just handed you the map? See, that's what this is. We'll tell you exactly what to do and how to do it, reassuring you that you're headed in the right direction, or if not, telling you exactly what you need to do to get back on track.
Over a period of 12 weeks, we'll cover all DM theory, QR shortcuts, AR scanning techniques, and everything else there is to know for your Ucat. I mean, if you come to these classes, you listen to us, you put in the work, you cannot get less than 3,000. I mean, it's literally not even possible. Now, I don't want to give you the wrong impression. We're not exactly a charity. It is going to cost $750. But spread that over the course of 12 weeks, 2 sessions a week, it comes down to just $31 a session. But we're so confident that we'll be offering the first week completely free of charge. Yes, that's right, for free. So if you're perhaps a little unsure, come on down and have a look for yourself. Now, I just want to clarify that this is not for those that aren't serious. This is only for those of you who are driven, willing to put in the hours, and serious about getting into medicine or dentistry. Now, if that sounds like someone like you, and you'd be interested in something like this, our email will be on the screen and in the description down below. Let's get started. The train is leaving the station.